Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Chimmy from BT21. So let's get started. To draw Chimmy, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw kind of like a dumpling shape. So nice big curve at the top. And from there I'm going to widen it out a little bit. And about right there, I'll start to bring it in. This is just short little dumpling. And from there, let's go ahead and connect it towards the bottom. So a little bit flatter towards the bottom. There, that's the shape that you're aiming to get. From there, let's bring Chimmy to life. So I'm going to come right in the center and draw his little nose. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve and connect it. And I'm just going to give a little highlight and shade it in. And then I'm going to come to the sides and draw a circle for the eyes. It's a nice size circle on both sides. And let's give it a little highlight and shade it in. So same thing over here. There. And then now his cute little mouth. So right underneath this nose, we're going to draw a little crooked smile. So just going to go up a little bit. Say about that much. Come in here and thicken it up. And I'm going to cap it off on both sides. And then right under here, we're going to draw a little tongue. So curve and round. And just come in here with a little line in the center. Okay, so we have his cute little face in. Now let's finish off his little hoodie here that he's wearing. So I'm going to come about right here where it starts to go up. So I'm just approximate about right here. And I'm going to start to curve around. So about right here, curve round. So same thing on the other side. So about right here. Build around. And I'm just going to follow my bottom. And connect. There. So then from right this point, we're going to kind of dip in a little bit and come back out. So it's about right here. Dip in a little bit and come out. So same thing right here. Dip in and come out. And then we're going to just draw a big curve right around. So center about right here being the highest. So come up. So about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. And curve towards that point and bring it back down. There. Okay, so you have this little shape around his head. Now for the ears. So I'm just going to kind of imagine this curve going around, nice big curve. So I'm going to just start about right here and start to curve out my ear. So right there, come out with an ear, and we're just going to tuck it back in about this area and tuck it in. So we're just imagining curving all the way around. So same thing over here. So continuing this curve, nice and round at the top. And bring down the ear. So I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where to end the other ear. So about right here. And once again, bring it right back in. And you can go ahead and just shade this all in black. So same thing on this side. Okay, so we have his head in. Now let's draw his body. I'm going to center the body, so I'm just going to give my little space right here, kind of like where his armpits would be. I'm just going to give myself 2 points, so nice and centered. It's about right there. And from this point, I'm going to start to draw a curve down for the body. And I'll just continue this a little bit more. And say about right here, I'm just going to kind of say about right here, I'll just draw a little curve in the center. And a straight line right in the center. And then we're going to start to draw the feet. So I'll come about right here and curve out his foot and just connect it back to that. There. So same thing on this side. So about right here, curve it out and connect back. There. Now for the arms. So come out a little bit more right here, and we're just going to draw a curve down. So nice and simple hands, and curve it in about right there. And then in this area, just draw a curve for the hands. So same thing here. So I'm going to drag this point across. So about right there, I'll stop and bring it in. And once again, hand, the curve, and then let's draw the 2 little tassels right here for his hoodie. So I'm just going to draw one shorter one and then a longer one, and add a circle under each one. And last but not least, add a little heart right here. So now he's my Chimmy from BT21. So there. Now that we're done drawing it, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you guys love how Chimmy turned out and inspires you to draw it too. If you love these characters from BT21, make sure to check out my BT21 playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.